wasting your time cutting watermelon. Have sliced watermelon literally ready in seconds with this hack.
If I ever want to go bald, just stick your head up to the fan.
Dude, did you see how the frame rate was syncing with the fan? That was pretty cool.
That's sick, dude. You know, it's a good way to cut your hair, to be honest. What? To put your head in a fan. Sorry, I did it again.
And that's Eric. All right, guys, that was the one hack Eric did.
Hey, kids. Kids, put your head in a fan.
Tic Tac makes gum?
Chandler, I'm gonna let you take this one away.
I wish it would go away. Because you couldn't have just put it in your pocket.
What a noob. Still using a 3.5 millimeter jack. What is this,
Yeah, what's going on?
2015?
This, of course, is the Android version of this hack. For the iPhone version, you're gonna need an adapter.
Okay, there's the video.
What is that video? Oh my gosh.
What is
What
this?
is this?
I don't know, but it's definitely making my life easier.
Great hack. 10 out of 10, boys.
His shirt makes that fight look way more dramatic than it was.
We've had our fair share of Orbeez in our mouths. Haven't we, Garrett?
Oh, yes.
We've eaten them. We've been in them.
We've peed in them.
They've been in us.
Been in us.
Some of us.
Are you part of the Orbeez? Are you Team Orbeez?
No, I ate them and then I pooped them out.
Oh, yeah, you're
Been
right.
in them.
Then you ate them again, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
'Cause they're so good the first time.
Better the second time.
Yeah.
How many syringes do they have?
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
I had some good velocity on
I got a lot of Emmys at home that I need to,
Yeah.
to be
Oh,
honest.
yeah.
This hack is great if you like razor blades in your cookie jar, or cracks in your Tupperware, or crumbs all over the carpet. Do you want ants? Because this is how you get ants.
I haven't
Okay.
seen that
I've
shirt.
seen those
1,
knives.
pull. Step 2, razor blades. Step 3, glue.
Oh my gosh. Is this a frisbee?
Step 4, fill with candy and go trick-or-treating.
I guarantee you, it's gonna like
Yeah.
dye yourself with it. Like,
Throw an onion in there.
Oh,
cookies.
okay, or-
okay.
Cookies.
Yeah.
Don't say
That way this works.
Probably not.
Oh my gosh, that's violent.
To be honest,
Hey, bro. He just started slamming
I
the
think
thing
the
on
cookies
table.
would have
It
disintegrated.
probably actually would have worked better without
Yeah,
the razor blades.
it
'cause
probably
the-
would've.
The razor blades were keeping them still.
Just like those razor blades kept my mom still. Mom, why aren't you moving?
If you find yourself in a situation where you have to pick up your dog's poop, but you only have a large plastic bag, a knife, a torch, and a cutting board, this hack is muy bien.
Garrett, focus.
Yo, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm ready for some life hacks.
All right. You need some gloves to clean up a body? Can't get bleach on your hands. Sure can't.
I'm speechless.
Speechless. Dude, look at
We're
that.
making
hand.
our own glove.
That's a huge hand.
Wow. Beautiful.
Kind of cool, I guess. Not really sure. It's only like one side, is it?
You know, I'm just trying to see where this is going.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
I see.
Wow. That's
Yes.
amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You can pick up the
Now
poop
you can pick up poo.
and leave it.
I
It's like a
see.
bag glove.
Dude, that
Dude,
was
I see.
great.
Talk about putting the pedal to the metal, like flower petals. Anyways.
Oh wow, a fan and a thing of flour. Oh, I thought it was flowers.
I thought it was asparagus, dude. Which I immediately thought about pee smelling bad, so
Dude, that is so true.
it makes your pee smell
If you eat
worse
beets,
than pee.
if you eat beets, it makes your pee red.
Dude, that's sick.
Brussels sprouts also give your pee a weird smell.
Okay, so we stick in flowers in a fan.
Yeah, that's what happens when your girl breaks up with you.
Yeah.
And then you pee.
What is going on? Car in the back. I wonder what they're like. Those guys are at it again with the fans, Jimmy.
Chop those weenies to add with beans, with 10 times the speed of a normal mom.
Getting jiggy with it.
Oh, dude, I always keep my hot
Hot
dogs
dogs. Got the Franks in the back pocket.
there. Be careful with your wiener while you're doing this, guys.
Yeah.
You don't want to mess up your
Really
wiener.
don't want to stick that in a fan.
Hold on, my wife just texted me, told me she brought me food. Screw you guys.
Oh, that's nice. She brought me food. Tell her I'm making some take memes. Let's get real racy while he's gone.
Yeah.
It takes 23,000 slaps to cook a chicken. We're thinking 65 will work for a Pop-Tart.
What are these trash Pop-Tarts?
Yeah, the best Pop Tarts are the Sunday ones. Is he gonna turn the fan? Okay, there we go.
Nice.
That's actually pretty freaking sick.
That's actually pretty dangerous. Like, all it takes is him falling, and I wouldn't put it past these guys.
Pop-Tarts are sharper than glass.
Oh, dude, he's buff though.
Dude, nice old Navy jeans, bro.
Tired of boiling water? Grab a bottle of sparkling grape juice, and with seconds, you can watch it sparkling grape juice. What?
Ooh,
This
that
ought to
is
be interesting.
that is good. That's the good
I
stuff.
wonder why he's so far away, because this isn't dangerous at all.
It's a good year.
That is really dangerous.
Celebrating 2019, this is how you do it.
I wonder how many times he missed.
Oh
Ooh,
my.
okay. Well, if you like shards of glass in your neck, this is a great life hack.
Yeah. We're doing Coca-Cola next. Oh,
That
on
one,
impact.
that one's pretty good.
That was pretty sick. Although I don't know how that helps you.
Don't do that.
What are you doing? Oh, I
Dude, I was about to say, are you stupid?
thought. Oh, dude.
Ooh.
He scares me so many times.
All right.
All right, the last like 10 seconds of that probably weren't necessary.
Could it?
Do you want to build a snowman? Oh, God.
He-Man.
That's one
Dude,
ugly
do you want to
snowman.
build a He-Man? Do you want to build a He-Man?
Come on, let's go and play.
Dude, how'd you break that fork?
Stick
You're
a
so
fork
strong.
in my arm.
He has forks for arms
Oh, he's
and lid
melting.
remover.
That is a handsome snowman. There must have been some magic in that odd clear bottle they found.
Gonna melt him.
Okay. So wait, what's he pouring on top? What is this?
That's acetone.
It's acetone?
Ooh.
Dude, He-Man.
No.
Not so strong now.
Uh,
Okay. Oh.
Great.
Now
What?
your life has just been hacked.
hacked.
Hashtag hacked.
Have you ever been enjoying a nice sucker and decided to save the rest for later? Me neither. But let's pretend so. All you'll need is a balloon and a tolerance for that latex aftertaste.
You want to protect your sucker?
That is the best flavor of sucker, by the way.
No.
Yes.
Oh my god.
No, it
The
is.
watermelon?
It is.
Yeah, the watermelon.
Oh, I
Those-
thought that was cherry.
no, cherry's terrible.
By the way,
Why?
this is a blow pop.
Blow pops are different from suckers and lollipops.
You always have to protect your blow pop.
Yeah.
Oh my.
When you're using a blow pop, wear
I see what's
protection.
going on here.
Is this a metaphor? Are we teaching kids to be safe? This is a good life hack.
This is good.
Teaching kids to be safe. If you're gonna do it, kids, put a balloon on it. That's how clowns do it.
And aliens. Speaking of the
Oh
shirt.
my gosh, you broke the table.
Tex, we need a budget for a new table.
Oh my gosh, a fork and ice cream.
Dude, a fork.
Transitioning.
Wow.
Oh man, what am I gonna do? Can't eat ice cream with a fork. I'm so upset.
Dude, okay, this is when you get the Pepsi out.
Yeah, this
Cut
is
that
way better than a fork.
The real hack here is that now everything will have the refreshing taste of Pepsi Cola.
Cut that sucker open. Do not try this with the Coke bottle.
Get that out
Throw
of here.
that out there.
You're gonna stick it in the fork.
Wow.
Oh, he's gonna create a
And
spoon.
see,
That's not gonna
Wow.
cut your lip.
yeah. Probably don't put that in your mouth.
I'm not sure if you could have done that without the hazard.
You could have probably
But-
used that with a spoon, like just get a spoon, you know?
Yeah.
Or I mean, a fork could pick up a whole frozen thing of ice cream. I don't know.
Probably.
Ever wanted to erase something like a foot away?
No joke. I saw a 12-year-old kid this weekend with that shirt.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Dude, I wish I had Fortnite dance shirts. My wife won't let me wear them. She says I'm not cool enough.
Yeah, you know. Let's talk about this pencil.
Wow, look
Good
at it
segue.
go.
That's called a segue.
Doodle Bob never stood a chance.
What was the idea?
Oh,
Oh, I get what he's doing. Oh my god, this is gonna be dope.
he's gonna explode. Okay, he's combustion, man. This is how it works.
It's actually kind of how a cannon works. A cannon works with.
Hey,
Hey, you can't
we-
say that word.
did we ask you? Could we not say?
No, we can't say. Okay, we got demonetized for saying one time.
Dude, that was great.
Yeah.
This is how Arby's shreds their roast beef.
You know what I gotta get while I'm down here? Bojangles.
Oh,
We're talking about sandwiches here.
Oh, okay.
oh look,
We got a nice foot long.
Eric, you could have ate that sandwich since we plucked you off the street. But you know what we're gonna do? Stick it in a fan.
You know what, guys? I would really appreciate it if you don't put all the food in the freaking fan.
Nope, going right in the fan.
People are. Oh, I'm really close to the mic.
You are really.
People are starving out here. We're doing this.
To be fair, that was a fake sandwich.
It was. It was plastic.
No, it's fake because it had mayonnaise on it. And no one likes mayonnaise, so it had to be destroyed anyway. Ooh, that really sets the mood for the room.
Oh,
Pork
here's
watermelon.
this is a good one. This is a good way to make your life just a little bit easier.
Oh,
You're gonna-
yeah?
You're gonna take a watermelon, karate chop it first, to break all your fingers. Make sure you get your torches on.
The double torch.
Double torch this sucker. okay?
Dual wielding.
Yes, and then make a face, okay? Because most watermelons they don't come with a face on them.
Yeah.
So you gotta make it.
You gotta give them life.
Look, it's Jack Skellington Melon and the Nightmare Before July 4th.
Oh my god.
Because what's a picnic without a face with a watermelon?
Dude, this is weird.
This is all right. Well, we're gonna send the FBI to his house now.
Just destroyed that watermelon.
All right, the FBI's on their way.
No regard for watermelon life.
What better way to combat a cold with new flamin' hot tissues?
Got an issue?
Get a tissue.
No, torture tissue.
It's a good box. Polka dots.
So you're gonna want to pull that out while it's on fire and blow your nose.
Yes. It'll
It
relieve the
really
burning
do.
sensation.
Dude, it will get that cold right out of your face.
Oh, that makes sense because it's called a cold
Yeah, it's cold.
and it's fire.
Yeah, it's fire. Warmth plus cold. Yeah.
Equals no
Equals-
longer sick.
Well, that's just genius.
Those look like the tissues they have in the bathroom at the Salty Spittoon.
Where'd that water come from? Okay.
And he eats it.
No, he's blowing his nose.
Dude, he's blow. What do you do with
It
it? You
looks
don't
like-
eat tissues.
What does that look like?
Burnt tissue?
Yeah.
Crazy resemblance, dude.
Go-Gurts claims to be the snack you can eat on the go, but how does it hold up to hazardous conditions?
Ah, I love Go-Gurt. They better
Ninja
not.
Turtle Gogurt. Yes.
They better not put that Go-Gurt in that fan.
I'll be very upset.
Just an easy way to open your Go-Gurt.
Oh, see, now he gets it. Now he's getting the life hack.
Oh yeah. Get it all
And
over
then
my
it
finger.
blows towards your face, and you can just kind of open your mouth and eat it.
Oh,
What a
wow.
throw! What a throw!
Wow.
Oh my
Did
god!
he miss?
What the? Can we get an instant replay on that throw, please?
Does he always have to throw up a double thumbs up at the end?
Yes. Usually we make fun of his thumbs. Do you want to make fun of his thumbs?
Yeah.
Tell us what you think about his thumbs.
I think his thumbs actually, I would give him like a 6.5 out of 10, to be honest, on those thumbs.
Oh, that's a rookie
That's-
rating.
yeah,
that's a
a
rookie score. Do you
Look
see
at the
Do you see
curvature.
that vein?
Yeah.
Popping, like at the bottom. That's
Well,
disgusting.
the thumbs are good, but the placement of the thumbs could be better.
Yeah, he doesn't understand what a thumbs up is. It's a thumbs up, not a thumbs pointed forward.
Yeah, dude, why is that one thumb pointed to the right and then the other one's pointed up?
Evolution.
We've all wondered at some point how duck duck sauce is made. Turns out there are only 2 ingredients. I assume it's duck and sauce?
All right, kids,
Rubby
start
ducky.
with toxic chemicals and put it in a bowl.
I wonder what they're gonna do with it. Oh,
Looks
no.
like they're gonna destroy it, turning it into like goo.
He looks so happy, and
Yeah,
then
why would you do this?
now he's just gonna
I'm
melt.
convinced.
Throat.
I'm convinced the life hack guy is just some evil.
We need to send the FBI.
Evil man.
Yeah. Can we dox him? What's his address?
Rubber Ducky Lane. Get him.
I honestly, why isn't he
Oh.
using the
Looks like he's about to
spoon
eat that.
just
Is he?
made?
He
I
just
don't know
ate
why,
that.
why is he
He just ate
using
a
a
duck.
real spoon when he had that other fork spoon?
It's not that eating Tide Pods is dumb, it's that eating them without cooking them at 400 degrees is dumb.
Can we even do Tide Pods now? Is that allowed on
I don't
YouTube?
know, man. Tide Pods are kind of old.
It's kind of a dead meme.
Yeah. All right. So we got the classic blue, white, green
Yeah, blue. That's the good color.
toothpaste colors.
You guys gotta put your freaking gloves on before you do this.
Yes, of course. This is how you extract the juice so you can drink it later. Just like this. Just torch it and then you're good to go. Pour it in the glass.
This is high class.
So what is this hack?
Yeah, what are we hacking here?
Thank you. Thumbs up for that one. It was a great hack.
This is cringe.
This is a great hack.
Here we're going to be showing you the best tool you can use to ward off kids with ADD.
USA!
Where do you even buy fidget spinners anymore?
Dark web.
Oh God,
Dude, that one's
that's the
from-
dark web
that
fidget
one's
spinner.
from
Oh my
dark
gosh.
web.
Why
Car.
would anyone do this?
Who comes up with this?
No, you know what this is? This is DIY Beyblade.
You know what this does? This reduces my anxiety.
Oh, I get it. So it's like,
That's not safe.
it's not a fidget spinner. It's meant to be a drill.
Ooh.
Dude, that's a good zombie tool. Like zombie apocalypse, fidget splinter. Yeah.
Splinter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna not talk because I know that's gonna go in, so might as well just stop.
Hey, so Eric has his own YouTube page. It's called Knowles or Nulls or whatever he wants to call it. Look at this video. This one's also really good. Actually, they're all fantastic. When I said I would promote Eric, Chandler sent this message. So, here's his Instagram page. Here's the photos he's tagged in. I like that one the most. And here's Chris's old YouTube page. He hasn't uploaded in months. Okay, that's it. Bye! Oh, and before I forget, here's Chris's Instagram. Okay, bye.